Ale mogę też gadać.
A może tak zamkniesz ryj?
Microphone muted. Microphone activated.
To nieźle, nie ma to jak miły Jura.
No właśnie, właśnie.
Masz, patrz, 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 patrz. Patrz jak to teraz wygląda. Aktualnie... Patrzysz?
Tak, jeżeli robię coś innego, to jak sądzisz? Patrzę.
No.
Ty grubo mylisz.
O ty mendo. Yes. I agree completely with you.
No i co tam chcesz pokazać?
Czekaj sekundę. Bo piszę image... Aha. Of type image dot sprite equals construction data dot... No i mnie porobił. Tak. Aktualnie sobie buduję UI. W sensie interfejs graficzny. I właśnie sam się porobiłem, bo zapomniałem dodać do... A może mam tu otwarte? Do pewnej klasy. No właśnie. Zapomniałem dodać. Public sprite icon. I teraz jak to się skompiluje i wejdę tu. I wejdę na przykład tu. I wejdę na przykład tu. I teraz muszę wejść na przykład... Gdzie ja muszę wejść? Builder house to było... Nope. Nie mam pojęcia, które to było. Prościej będzie. 185. To jest ikona. 185. Gitala. Gitalala. Tylko do tego ikona to będzie...
User joined your channel.
Halo, halo?
Halo? Dzień dobry.
Twisted Fate za dobicie jakąś kartą ma dodatkowego golda?
No za każdy ten. Za każdy śmierć unita dostaje od 1 do 6 golda.
Kurwa, to ja o tym nie wiedziałem.
Też nie wiedziałem. Ale w sumie to nikogo nie interesuje, więc...
A żeś mi teraz zaskoczył?
Do tego się tam ruchało kasę, no. Dobra, lecimy na Szczecin?
Oczywiście, że tak.
Tylko czekaj. A gramy może właśnie też na bocie razem?
Jak mamy grać potem mi to ten? Nie, grajmy normalnie.
Dobra. Dobra, go.
Ach.
Ta.
Microphone muted.
Więc generalnie jest prawie dobrze, tylko coś poknociłem i nadałem nie te co trzeba.
Ale to jest losowe, tak? Od 1 do 6?
Tak, no.
Builder House ma to, bo to jest Builder House. To nie tu sknociłem? I to ma 207, bo to jest Resource Storage. Teraz tak. Building Choice. Resource Storage. Aha, w ogóle pokażmy to. Resource Storage to jest to. A, to wiele wyjaśnia. Dlatego, jeżeli sobie wejdę teraz, nie chcę, ale muszę i sobie wejdę w Inspector Data Instances, hold this i Resource Storage. Resource Storage, jeszcze raz sprawdzę na pewno. Resource Storage ma trzymać datę Resource Storage, czyli tą. A Builder House ma trzymać Builder House. Dlatego było na odwrót, bo po prostu dałem na odwrót te.
Sound muted.
Aha, więc teraz jak podejdę sobie, otworzę. Bardzo proszę, moja data i data buildera. Teraz tak, tu będzie cancel, tu będzie postaw. W tym panelu tutaj będą wypisane wszystkie tak jakby cena po prostu tego budynku, resource, a gdy klikniecie postaw po prostu UI się zwyczajnie zamknie i będziemy mieli możliwość postawienia w jakimś miejscu placu budowy. No i easy, klasycznie. Więc teraz tak. To możemy na razie zamknąć, znaczy zdeaktywować i dodajmy do tego po pierwsze przycisk powrotu. Button. Let's make it stick to the lower like this. Let's get here like this. And just back. It's in the text script. I just go ahead and back. That's all. I think it's good. Now we go ahead and create another button, and this will be like, I don't know, buy or build. I think build. And text will be also build.
Sound resumed. Sound muted.
And we can make it stick to the lower right corner, and didn't mean that. I meant the whole thing. Stick to the lower right corner. Make its origin out there. And a build like this kind of size. Right? Back and build. That build I don't like really. Confirm. I'll say confirm. Confirm. And the text should also be confirm. Just to make it distinguishable between that easily distinguishable between the back and the confirm. Height is 30 and this height is also 30. Okay, so now go ahead and in our view we wanna go or actually the back button we can just add a new object, make it a builder house, and from script view we can say set building choose tab, and that basically should work, probably. Yeah, it does. It shows every time. Okay.
Microphone activated. Microphone muted. Microphone activated.
Sorry, I sneezed. So,
Microphone muted.
right now, what was I about to say? Oh yeah, we have to make a method for confirm. So, after confirming, we wanna spawn or actually activate something like just a place. It will probably be kinda uh, reddish something color square that will just appear, and it will allow to choose the correct place in the map. And it will wait for the click. If someone presses the next button, which means confirms it, then it will send that position, and it will actually spawn that building in the chosen place. Now, so after the confirm, we need to make, I think we'll create something, one more thing. Yeah, let's go ahead and create a new image out here. It will be a parent of just plain UI, not even the details itself. And it will be just an image. Now, the size of that image. I think the size of like 50 on 50 will be, no, let's make it 60 by 60. I'm retarded. Okay, that will suffice. Now, image. That white image is actually okay. Why? Because what we want to do is just make it red. Make it whole red, and maybe turn the alpha down to like 50, like the 1/5. Yeah, 51 to make it 1/5. Exactly. Uh, and why is that an image? Why is that an image? I could just make it a button. No, but in the button I can't directly just I can't just directly send a vector 3 that would be its position, right? Or can I? Let's check. Let's quickly check. Make a UI button, and let's say uh, confirm construction site. That would probably take a vector tree. Construction site position. And it will get a vector 3, just a position, let's say. And now in my button, can I click on my button? I can. On the click, let's make the builder house and our view. Nah, I cannot. Vector 3 is not like serializable as a parameter, I think. It's not like that. Because I can't just say that, send that. So I'll have to add a script, which is not perfect, but yeah, it will do the work, I guess. So it's a raycast target, and I'll just make an UI. C# script, I don't know. Let's make something like templates. I don't really care about naming in here. It's just a simple script that will do almost nothing. So we wanna delete that. I just want Unity engine dot event system mono behavior. I want also a serialized field for my view. So I can just say builder house view and I'm gonna go ahead and
Microphone activated.
Okay, let's actually see if that will work. I feel it won't, but yeah, let's be honest, who gives a fuck? No one gives a shit about this, so that's the image. Let's go templates. Builder house view, builder house view. And let's see. Fuck, it actually works. Right, so the first thing we want to do is get component of type. What is the component type? Image. Why can't we see image? Because we don't have Unity Engine.ui namespace. So actually, instead of just doing it, I'll make a Unity Engine.ui.image. It's kinda faster. Dot raycast target equals false. When we press down, we don't want this anymore to be a raycast target. Why? Well, because our array that we have to shoot onto the ground would basically hit that part, and we would get kind of false position. Next, I need reference to my camera. Private camera. My camera. I don't know. Okay, so in theory, I could just, make camera.main, but that sucks. Why? First of all, if you work with someone, you're not an indie developer or something like that, or even if you are indie, but you just someone helps you or something, there's one thing: main camera tag. Someone changes it. Someone deletes the camera, makes and creates new one because something, I don't know. If that happens, you won't get any error, and your positioning will be whole wrong. So imagine like you just wrote a code, it should work. Yeah, but you're like, okay, maybe I did something wrong, but in fact it's just that stupid tag. So no. I highly prefer to just make a reference to my camera because that way I can have multiple cameras, etc. Maybe it's not the main I wanna shoot from. Maybe, who knows. Next thing is that if it won't be assigned, I'll get a null reference exception, so it will all be good. I'll know about it. I'll know the reason why it won't work, right? If it won't work. Uh, what was I about to do? Oh, I know. Give me that camera. Oh, it won't compile because I have an error. Now, give me that camera. Thank you. Boom. Done. Now, how do I do that? My camera dot shoot or something like ray. Oh, screen point to ray. Uh, take that, and my vector tree is no, is even data dot position uh, and I think I need to add something like, oh, I don't, ray, and then my ray has something like direction and origin. How do I get a, I have to do raycast? Yeah, I have. Physics.raycast. It returns true when hit by something. Layer mask. I could use that. It might be handy, to not allow players to place on the existing buildings or something. Oh, specifies whether this query should hit triggers. That's actually good. Wait, does that mean I have to have collider? Fuck. I have to have a collider. How can I just... I don't really want to limit player to to the area that he sees in his viewport. I mean, is it in his... Yeah, but I don't really need to. Or do I? Wait. Unity UI position toward position. Thank you. It is don't work for canvas with it is don't work for canvas with render mode screen space camera. Oh. So I actually have to world to screen point. Is that it? Nah, screen to world point. I'm retarded. Screen to world point. That makes actually a sense. Even dot position. And in that case we can just delete that.
Microphone muted. Microphone activated.
Yeah. So in here we just go to our controller and we make to our model dot operator instance dot construction site position equals position. Why don't we? Screw encapsulation. Nah, I feel like there would be no difference if we just made a method that would do basically the same. It's no difference. It's a controller anyway, so. But then we just go to model dot operator instance dot place construction. We place that construction and yeah, we also want to make a view dot position choose cancelled. It would look like something private void control file handler, naming is as usual handler, but now we have to make an actual method for this. So like cancel construction site position, then we will just, what do we do? Oh, I know. Wait, let's do it different way.
Microphone muted.
Wait, now. What? Why is that so? Huh? You say so? It's -9. Oh. So I have to, in my builder house operator, instantiate on the construction prefab construction position dot width. That's my extension method. You won't have it. You have to write it by yourself. With z that's equal to 0, and then I can say, hey, give me that storage, and it's almost where I wanted it. But now on interaction just keeps activate or deactivate this. Why? Why would you do that? Give me 1 wood, rather take 1 wood. Because my builder house on interacting thing and interaction, my controller waits for interaction and view to deactivate UI, else activate UI. Are details active? So if my details are active on interaction, then set building choose step. So wait, if my position has been confirmed, place construction, yeah, I should just take that off. Dot deactivate UI, but I also want to make sure oh, I know that placing image is equals to false, that is equal to true, and we make view dot cancel construction site and just then deactivate UI. Why is that? Well, just because. Now, because I've been deactivating the panel, not the UI itself. I mean, yeah, I'm not very good at explaining things. Let's say I want to place it here. It gets placed right here. I don't know why. No one gives a fuck about this anyway. So, when I open again, I can place different thing. I confirm. And I cannot actually. Why is that? I want to place it right here. Why is my UI not working at all? Now, is that the case because that's the second thing I've placed, or is it the case because that's the thing I've placed? So it's about yeah, something's messed up. Something's terribly messed up. I'm tired. Uh, I'll just leave it with it. So yeah, see ya.